Hello and welcome, my dear geniuses. After watching this genius video, you will be able to write powerful dialogues with correct pauses using commas, just like the writer of this great action movie, Gladiator.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the North, general of the Felix Legions, loyal servant to the true emperor Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next.
वैसे here's the famous dialogue which you just heard. Did you notice कैसे उन्होंने मतलब commas use किए हैं to show various pauses? A comma indicates the shortest pause in a sentence. So let's see the various usages of a comma. ठीक है? A comma is used to separate words in a list. For example, gladiators were heroes who stood for persistence, honesty, bravery, justice, and freedom. So, a comma is used before a direct quotation. For example, the gladiator said, I will take my vengeance. Now, commas are used to separate words जैसे कि yes, no, oh, and well from the rest of the sentence. For example, do you want to die? No, I don't. Well, today is your last day, my friend. Commas are used to separate parts of a date and any following word. For example, on September 1, 2000, the movie Gladiator was released. A comma is used to separate question tags. For example, he fought bravely today, didn't he? The commas are used to separate phrases in a sequence, जैसे कि festivals or regular days, weekdays or weekends. The gladiators were made to fight all the time. Commas और भी यूज होते हैं to separate short clauses in a sequence, जैसे कि they all loved Maximus, cared for him and wanted him to win. A comma is used to separate the term used to address someone from the rest of the sentence.
Your fame is well deserved, Spaniard.
एक और एग्जाम्पल है Friend, are you sure you want to fight me? Commas are used to separate expressions which refer to the same person. For example,
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the North, general of the Felix Legions, loyal servant to the true emperor Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next.
so now that we have seen all the usages of commas, एक question solve करें. In the sentence below, find out where the commas are used incorrectly. ठीक है? तो पहला sentence है Please bring juice, fruits, vegetables and cookies. अब यहाँ पे now here commas are used to separate a list after each item. तो therefore इसका usage जो है वो correct है. अगला sentence है second sentence I was born on December 8, 1990. अब commas जो हमने क्या सीखा है they come after the date, not the month. तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे comma जो है वो incorrect है. वो कहाँ आना चाहिए? It should be after 8. तो the sentence should be I was born on December 8, 1990. अब अगला sentence, third sentence is He is an amazing player, isn't he? Now, isn't he is a question tag. Commas come before question tags. हमने पढ़ा है अभी, है ना? तो the placement of the comma here is wrong. It should be कहाँ पे? It should be here, यहाँ पे. So now that you've understood the usage of commas, You too can correct pauses in your writing and write powerful dialogues just like the writer of Gladiator. फिलहाल time for me to go, but I will be back with another amazing genius video. तब तक के लिए genius से पढ़ो, genius बनो.